Alright, about to install these shifter bushings on the Speed 3 2010 and up. Let's see how this goes. Alright, first things first, we're going to want to remove the cup holder area, and all you do is stick your fingers in there, lift up in the front, and the same in the rear, in both corners. Oops. Alright, we got that off. I think I'm honestly going to vacuum this out because there's gum wrappers in here, so that's nice. There's legitimately a fucking, some type of change down there. There's a pen in here. So I'm gonna come back to this video. I'm gonna clean this out first. Alright, I finally got this sorted out. I got the pen and shit out of here. All that junk. After that, you're just gonna prop this up over the shift knob thing. Just unscrew your shift knob. And then push up towards like your AC and shit, and it should just come off. After that, there's a bolt right there, the bolt right there, and then two up in the front. And depending on what bushing kit you have, they may give you a diagram on which one goes where. And some kits it doesn't matter actually, so you need to actually look at your instructions for that. But the Shure shifter kit actually has to have one up there, one there, and then the other two doesn't matter. Even the 10mm is made from Japan. That is what you're gonna want for these bolts down here. Alright, it's hot as fuck in there. But those mud flap stuff. It's also lit on this side. Actually, no, you guys can't see that. I don't want anybody to know what kind of exhaust this is. Alright, once you pop out all four corners, basically you just want to push that through. Honestly, instead of pulling it out, it's a lot easier just pushing it through. This is also what I was talking about with the location. You can see there's a diamond on that one. These two do not have the little diamond logos. And then this other one does as well. And then you have these are just spacers. There should be 4 of them. And that is what it should look like once you get done. Alright, all you want to do is pop this back in place. I checked to see if I plugged in my wires in the back because I didn't know if it mattered, I guess, for that little AC. The adapter right here, if, I don't know, the light tan one went to the left or the right, I guess it doesn't matter. Maybe it does, maybe I just got it right. I have no fucking idea because I wasn't paying attention to that when I took it off, but it's working, so. And then this you just want to put over like this. And then also pop into place, but it's easier when this thing's open. As you can see, it just like fell into place. All you're gonna want to do is pop the 4 corners in. I got everything in, and that's how you install the anchors. The Shure MS3 2010 anchors.